guys, we're out here in Alaska. We're on our way to Seward right now. We're gonna go snagging for sockeyes.
Get some salmon.
This kid is new to salmon fishing, so we're gonna break him in today.
Hopefully I can get the limit.
Right now it's high tide. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's gorgeous out here, and we're gonna see if we can get anything cool. Let's freaking go, dude! So we just pulled over because what is it, Hunter?
Dead whale.
Dude, we found a dead whale.
Stop. Like taking couples pictures next to a dead whale.
Dang. It's freaking gnarly.
RIP in peace, man.
Pretty sure it's like $5 to park. I don't know. We'll confirm that later.
Your destination is on the left.
And
Eagle.
Of course, we just passed where we're supposed to turn. Why not do that? Why do I always miss turns? Let's go back. I'm sorry. I don't know what got into me.
Can you please slow down?
Yes, I can. Hello.
How y'all doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not too bad. 2 for the day?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
How's the fishing so far?
So far the right side's been hitting most of the day, but it's a good walk.
Okay, right
I
side.
just found out the left side just started hitting. It's shorter.
That's what we like to hear. Alright.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So this river kind of splits off into 2 main channels. You have the left side and the right side. We're gonna go cast in both of the different channels and see what's up. We'll see if people are catching fish, and it's gonna be a trip, man. We're heading to the right channel right now. We're gonna be fishing over here where I've just heard it hit. All right, it might drop off right now. Right? Oh, snap. They're gonna be coming up here, so let's fish right here. Dude, let's freaking send it.
Send it.
Oh, let's go. Yeah. Keep going, huh? No way. That's awesome, man. Yeah, this is number 3. Okay. Yeah, you want to cooperate? Oh, fish on. I think since the shore's like pretty much gone now, let's just go by net.
Yeah,
So we'll net each other's, and then we'll just walk over there with the net.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
You jumped all the way to me.
All right. Hold on. Hold on, girl. Oh.
You broke my line.
Oh. Go on.
Get it. Neck me.
Dude, you're a freaking idiot.
I'll hold this.
So we got our limits, and now we're about to fillet. Look at that hefty thing, bro. Morning, bro.
Dude, good morning.
Yo, how's the sleep, dude?
2.5 stars. That's being generous too. 2.5 stars is generous. You know, it's me being nice. So I just put some butter in the pan. We're gonna wait for that to melt, and then we're gonna throw the salmon in, let it cook for 2 minutes, flip it, 1.5 minutes on the other side, finish it off with some lemon. That's it. Easy as that. Now we wait.
Alright, what are you about to do?
We got a little skip trick shot. I'm gonna skip it. It's gonna hit the water. It's gonna jump. It's gonna hit the water. It's gonna jump. Hit the water. So we're gonna creek hop real quick. All right?
Okay.
Well,
You are one pathetic loser.
No offense.
you go for it. What are you made of, huh?
Look at that. I'd say that's pretty good. I never played sports.
That was way worse than mine.
There we go. That's what I like to see.
Oh, we've done it.
Did it?
Gordon Ramsay'd be proud.
He was covered.
No, dude, that's good.
Always is.
There we go.
Pan-fried trout.
You mean salmon?
Pan-fried salmon.